guys, my name is Katerina Stroh, and I would like to show you my first Ruby on Rails application that I built for Flatiron School. I'll explain briefly what this application does, and then I'll show you. In a nutshell, this is a help desk ticket tracker. Users can submit tickets for various IT categories such as desktop hardware or software issues related. There are two different types of users here. Regular users who submit tickets, and they can view all the tickets but can only edit or delete their own tickets. And the second type of user is an administrator, or I call it a Smartdesk agent. Smartdesk agents have a little bit more privileges. They can edit, delete all tickets. They can create categories for tickets. They can even delete users. So all users can log in via email address and password, or they can sign up using GitHub as a third-party authenticator. So let me show you quickly how it looks. I use Bootstrap and CSS for styling, and I use OmniAuth for authentication. So this is the login page, and first I'm going to log in via GitHub as a regular user. I'm going to click on the link. And as you can see, it greets me with my email address, and it shows the ticket that I created. So this is the ticket that was created by the current user, but I have the option to click on all the tickets and see the various different tickets that other users submitted. As you can see, I can only edit and delete the ticket that I submitted, not others. I can also look at users, and it displays their names and how many tickets they submitted so far. I can also look at the ticket categories, and I can click on create a ticket under a category. So let's say I'm going to do a desktop software. You can click on create ticket, and it's going to take you to the create ticket page. So we're just going to do a test ticket, test. And I'm going to select the desktop software category, and I click on create ticket. I also would like to show you if somebody's trying to create a new ticket but doesn't fill out the information, let's say they leave the title of the ticket blank or the ticket description blank and they just try to submit a ticket, it's going to have a flash message warns you that the title can be blank, the title is too short, description can be blank, and description is too short. So next thing, you can look at all the completed tickets. And we already saw the My Ticket option. That's where it took us when we first logged in. And then we can just click on Log Out. Now, I would like to show you how it looks when an actual administrator or Smartdesk agent logs in. So we go back to the login page, and I'm going to sign up as an administrator. As you can see, I have more options here than a regular user does. So first of all, it says Smartdesk agent, and it greets me by my name. It also shows all the tickets that I submitted as well. I can go on the tickets page and see all the tickets that have been submitted. And as you can see, I can edit or delete any of them. So let's say I would like to delete the last ticket. So I click on delete, and it's going to give me a confirmation, a flash message that the ticket was successfully deleted. The next thing I can do is look at the users, and you can see how many tickets each user have. And as an agent, I have the privilege of deleting a client. if I needed to. Next thing is the ticket categories. So you can see all the tickets that have been submitted under each category. And as an agent, I have the option to create a new Smartdesk category as well. And then I can look at all the completed tickets and log out. So I still would like to show you how it looks when somebody wants to sign up for the first time. Let's say they don't want to put a username, they just want to do an email, and then click on sign up. Again, the flash message is going to warn them that they have to fill out all information in order for them to register on the site. So let's say I'm going to do Judith, and I sign up. And here it is, hello Judith. And there are no tickets submitted under Judith yet. So she can go ahead and create a new ticket. Let's see, let's create a new ticket for Judith. Let's say I'm going to say test 1111, description 1111, and we have the option to select categories. So we go ahead and do create ticket, and ticket has been created. And I can edit the ticket. I can change it. And click on update ticket. And there it is. The ticket has been edited. You can click on my ticket and it will show the ticket that I just created. Okay, so this was it. It was a fun project to work on. Again, I use Bootstrap and CSS for styling. I use Omnios for authentication. Here, I'll show you my code. This is my sessions controller open. I follow the MVC structure. And as you can see, I have my controllers, application controller, categories controller, sessions controller, ticket controller, users controller, welcome controller. And I have my models. I have my application record, which already comes with it, category model, ticket category, ticket and user. And then I have my views. I have my sessions, my categories folder. I use partials. I have my layout, sessions, view, tickets, users. So I try to keep my code dry as much as possible. So I created these partials and show you all the jams I have. Many of them already came with it, but I did have to add Omnios, GitHub, and Bootstrap to the application. All right, well, thank you so much for listening to me and looking at my project. I truly had fun with it, and I'm looking forward to build some more stuff. All right, bye.